Coming from the Bay, where there isn't really such a prevalent music scene, coming to LA was incredibly refreshing from that standpoint. I would say within college, I leaned very hard into my extroverted side. I started my own entertainment business and was positioning myself to climb within a corporate sense. I had this inflection point where I feel that I had leaned so hard into this extroverted side and this extroverted being that no matter how much success I was experiencing, I still felt very empty. And the thing that was always in the back of my mind was like, you never really gave yourself a shot with music. You know, the one thing that always fascinated me, the one thing that I truly loved more than anything else, right? And that was the way to feed my introverted side, you know, the side of myself that's contemplative, the side of myself that's creative, that I wasn't really giving it the proper nurturing that it needed. After going to Icon and just actually learning about music, right? I had never learned the language of music. I'd always just been a fan. It started to really open up my palette and open up my perspective more. And I found myself listening to a much more robust catalog of music than I'd ever had before. Basewood is a creative collective focusing right now primarily in video production and music production and talent management. And we have a full team behind that, a team of producers, a team of video editors, the whole nine. And we've done videos for artists like Isaiah Rashad, Big Sean, Snoop Dogg, Blast. So that's one leg of what we do. And then on the music production and talent management side as well, that's really more my domain, you know. So it's really just a community of, in my opinion, some of the most talented creatives that I've ever been around who decided to get together and bring their talents under one roof. You know, at this juncture now, I work with rappers, I work with singers, I work with people in all different genres of music, which is one of the most fulfilling feelings that I have. It's completely changed the type of blessings that have been coming my way and the doors that have opened as well.